Surya.
Hi, hello. So, hi viewers,
Hi
everyone.
everyone. So today we come with a new board. So this is our board. So the board we designed is for the delivery purpose, and it can able to lift about 2 kgs, and you can see the delivery box within a locking system which can be unlocked based on authentication. And we have used a quadcopter frame completely made up of carbon fiber, and we are using a carbon fiber propellers here and tarot motors which are 330 kV, and we are using Pixoc as a flight controller. We are using 2.4.8 as a flight controller, and you can see the GPS module. We are using M8N GPS and a lidar for an obstacle detections, and and we are using a camera, T12 camera, which is about which can make only a 20 MP of camera feed, and we are using an 8000 mAh battery which can last for around 25 minutes, and we are connected in Raspberry Pi in it, which can make an autonomous operations very using mobile applications. So we are flying the drone in loiter mode. So let's go fly the bird. So we are flying the board without any liner. So you can see it's not getting reflection by the liner. We have not enabled the liner and enable it. So you can see that whenever I do
So, you see, we have Varun over there and he is acting as an obstacle as of now.
so let's have the flight here.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's working good, and we're gonna land it and we're gonna test the autonomous. For autonomous operations, we have made a mobile application, Fly High. We are entering into the application using credentials. After entering into the application, we are selecting the drone which is active, and then clicking on the payload we are putting in the drone. We are testing in the ground, so we are putting a point in the ground, and lateral long are loaded to drone from the database. We are giving example as a name and an altitude at which the drone should fly, and clicking on the order option. Okay, now we're gonna test the autonomous drone. So I'm just clicking the order option here, and we have put the point over there. So when I click on OK, it's getting lift up.
we are at the destination point. So now we need to take out our delivery items. So for that we need OTP authorization. So we need OTP authorization. So now we can take out the items we need, and then let's lock it up again. Then we'll confirm return to launch. So let's go.
We are performing autonomous operation using mission planner. For that we have connected to the mission planner using the remote from a telemetry. So here I am adjusting the H pad. So I am selecting H pad to the point where the drone is and selecting the takeoff at which it has to fly with an altitude given. So I am giving an altitude as 3 meters and I am putting a waypoint at which my drone should go. So I am putting another waypoint in the ground. So the waypoint, you can see here the altitude is 100 meters. I am changing the altitude to 3 meters, and I am also putting another waypoint so that the drone should has to cover from H pad to waypoint 1, then waypoint 2, then another waypoint, and then come to the land. And I'm selecting another waypoint, so making the drone to make a circle and come to the land location. I have made 4 waypoints, you can see, and I am making another waypoint as a land at H pad. I put it as land so that the altitude will go to 0 when it comes to land position. It means from the H pad it takes off, go to waypoint 1, waypoint 2, waypoint 3, and comes to waypoint 4 and waypoint 5. At waypoint 5, the mode is land, so it comes to land position. Then we are writing the parameters by clicking on right option at the right side of the mission planner. Every parameters are loaded to the Pixog then. Now you can see that I initially changed the position to auto so that my drone lifts up and takes its operations.
3, 2, 1, take off. Zoom.